Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you run a business website on Wix and want to make it super easy for visitors to reach out to you on WhatsApp, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you, step by step, how to quickly add a WhatsApp chat button to your Wix site. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional WhatsApp button that can help boost your customer interactions and make your site way more interactive. Let's jump right in. First things first, head over to your Wix editor. Once you're in, look for the Add Market section. That's where all the fun, interactive elements live. In the search bar, type in WhatsApp chat. This is basically telling Wix that you want to add an integration for WhatsApp direct messaging. You'll see a few options pop up, but just click on Add to Site when you see the WhatsApp chat app. This adds a chat widget straight onto your Wix site, giving your visitors a quick way to message you if they have questions or need support. Now, here's where you get some creative control. You'll be prompted to select a template for your chat button. Take your time here. Each template can give your chat widget a different look, so consider your brand colors, your site's vibe, and think about what will appeal most to your visitors. Maybe you prefer a minimalist look, or maybe something bold will stand out better, especially if your site is all about high-energy services or colorful products. Choosing a template that matches your brand helps keep your site feeling professional and polished. Once you've picked a template, you can start customizing. You'll see options to select channels, and since we're focusing on WhatsApp, make sure WhatsApp is the main channel enabled. You can often add other channels like Messenger or Instagram DM, but for this tutorial, keep it simple and stick with WhatsApp so your button does exactly what your visitors expect. Next, add a chat title. This isn't just a label, it's the line that will draw your visitors in. Something friendly like "Chat with us on WhatsApp" or "Questions, message us" works well. Think about what kind of tone fits your business and what would encourage someone to click. Following that, add a chat subtitle. This is a great spot for a little extra info, maybe hours you're available or a quick note like "We respond within minutes." If you're not sure what to put here, don't stress, you can always come back and tweak it later. Now, let's talk about rules and triggers. Rules help the chat button appear the way and where you want it. You'll want to select all devices, so whether someone is on their phone or desktop, they'll see the WhatsApp chat option. This step is important. A lot of users will visit your site from a mobile device, so making sure it works everywhere means you won't lose out on any potential chats. Once you've walked through all these options, template, channels, title, subtitle, device settings, click Next. You're nearly done. Click Publish and Preview to see your changes in action. Don't worry if this takes a few seconds. Wix is just updating your site so you can test the button. Give the preview a try, click the WhatsApp icon, and make sure it opens a chat window as expected. And that's it. You now have a WhatsApp chat button live on your Wix site. This small change can make a big difference for your customer service and engagement. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give a thumbs up, drop a comment if you've got any questions or want to share how it went for you, and don't forget to subscribe for more Wix tips and web design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.